The world has so many spheres that give us life here on Earth. They are all very important when they work together to help our planet stay alive.
You need many things to survive on Earth, but the most important of these is called the atmosphere. Known as air, the atmosphere is a thin layer of gases surrounding Earth. Carbon dioxide, oxygen and many more also make up the Earth's atmosphere. The special molecules that surround Earth protects us from the sun's radiation, which causes skin cancer. The hot air that comes from the sun's equators meets with the cold air from other planets and causes a storm. If this didn't happen, it would be cold on one side of the planet and hot on the other side. If there were no atmosphere, no one could survive. We would burn and die from the sun's radiation. The biosphere consists of all the living organisms on Earth. Their habitat extends from the upper area of the atmosphere, to deep down in the ground, to the bottom of the ocean, any place that life can exist. Concrete, rocks, landforms, and many more make up the Earth's geosphere. Our lives depend on the geosphere because it is part of our world. The geosphere is parted into three portions of the Earth. The crust is what we walk on every day of our lives. Just underneath the crust is the thick and rocky mantle. The mantle protects the core and holds it together and in place. Lastly is the core. This is made out of hot lava and rocks. The core is hidden deep down in the Earth, never to be found.
The hydrosphere is made out of hydrogen that gives us life. The real meaning of it tells us what it is, what it does, and why it is here with us on Earth. Water is constantly in motion. It is always rotating, while Earth will always seem the same. We need the water for chemical reactions, because the chemical reaction is needed for every living thing on Earth. Earth has a temperature range that lets water stay in its liquid state. If Earth were a colder planet, it would all be completely frozen. This is why humans can live on Earth. Have you ever wondered what gives us light and warmth? This special part in our life is called the sunday. The sun gives us life, because it produces warmth to keep our planet from freezing. Our sun is a fiery ball of gas and harmful radiation. The UV radiation that comes from the sun burns down here on Earth. If the atmosphere wasn't protecting Earth, the sun would burn Earth to pieces, everyone would die, and no one would be able to live on Earth.
How do all these subsystems interact? This is a big question, and it would take many books to explain, but think about this example. We know weather happens in the atmosphere, but without the hydrosphere there would be no clouds and rain couldn't form. Without oceans and land there would be no wind. Without the atmosphere the land would be as barren as the moon. So together, all these subsystems are worth all of our lives, so we should be grateful that they protect us from harm.
Think.
For watching
Our Marvin
Movie.